sulfate.
Okay, you can join.
Oh, you can join, ma'am, if you want, ma'am. Okay. So, inyo lang siyang kunong dayan. Tara sa una, ha. Then, ayaw ka ninyo dito.
Pakita mo na ang
Nabungkagan mo. Bungkagan nyo diha.
So,
Kaya,
pakita mo
imo
na
na ninyong trash can.
that is what ganite.
That is the apok, the sodium sulfate, the 10 kilogram.
Okay, so that's sodium sulfate.
That's the sodium sulfate. So, we have here the filler one. And then it's very simple. Oh, ito na sinubuan. It's very simple. All the ingredients, you just only mix them all. Then, mo ato ninyong kuan day ha, trash can. And then, sige. Sunod, next, you add the 2.5 kilograms Magic Ultra. Or we call it APOC.
Magic.
APOC stands for All-Purpose Organic Cleaner. Sige na. Magic.
Slowly lang, Inday.
Ay, ano lang, day? Isi ano lang kay O.
Slowly.
Isi ano ninyo.
But surely. Okay. Yeah.
Okay, so i-mix-mix na ninyo din. I-mix-mix na din. Ito, mag-mix-mix na ka. Ikatigan na. Ang usa, maginahin na nag-mix. I-mix na din mo. I-mix na tanan. Ikaw, ito. Hinahinay ka. Next is the 1 kilogram CFAS. Oh, pakita ang CFAS. Cocoa fatty acid surfactant. The CFAS. Okay. So, add. And then, we add all. And then, the 500 grams zeolite.
Okay.
Sige,
Anong zeolite na? What's that?
The zeolite is banayad sa kamay. The softener of the water. Oh,
Unyo na ko na i-mix lang ay tana mix lang para
mix sa sede.
Means
Hinahinay lang to kuan. Hinahinay niyo kuan day. And then asa na ta day? The bubble, kanisa kanang the speckles.
Because anong gani
Mix, Inday.
Oh, i-mix na siya. Oh, sige kay kon ko.
Mix sila tanan, Day.
Day ha, speckles. Onya, this is the bubble enhancer. To be more bubbles. The speckles is to retain kanang sa kana ganing siya. Ayo lang ba? Mo fade in t-shirt.
okay, so this will help
Ayo lang ba?
it will not easily
Ano man
faded
siya?
if we will put this our shirts,
Kasi
our
mataday?
clothes, it will not easily be faded because of this.
Kanida daw, bubble
What's that
enhancer.
called? It's
Yes, this
No.
is
Sige, kabi daw yun.
sprinkles.
So this is the scent.
speckles.
Speckles, o ipangkuan diha. Just only add all ingredients, then this one.
Bernard,
Yung
while you are putting Bernard, you should put it.
Oh, okay.
And also, ma'am, this is the bubble enhancer. If you want to put it there. Oh.
How much?
All. Yeah.
Ah, so I do it. Like,
Yes, like that.
lagi ana lang
Okay.
no, I can.
Okay.
Yeah, go.
Sige, that's the bubble enhance. That's the scent. The scent. Okay, away sa ha. Butang sa siya dahil.
Powder.
Yeah.
Very powder.
Kuha na mo singot dahil. Basta dahil. Atong nakuhan tikaw dahil. Okay na ka? Alam na? Okay, mix lang yun na sila dahil ha. Ayaw ko siya yan sa babaw dahil. Ana lang sa ubos kayo. Ayaw mo yan na sa babaw. Okay,